Gold stayed in a no trade zone yesterday where we have seen 2036 levels giving it a resistance on the upside while 2425 levels on the downside proven out to be great support. I have mentioned very clearly 2024-2025 is going to be the first resistance level. Beautifully, it has bounced back from the same zone. So can we expect it to reverse from the current levels? As the moving average is crossing over here and price is already taking a support from the 2050 period moving average, or creating lower highs, we can see a reversal in gold. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon to watch the next update before the US session, and do join the channel memberships. Let's now see gold on the early charts. After showing this rise, it has retraced, taking the support from 24-25 levels. You have seen it again rising. Now, second thing is it is still delivering lower highs, lower lows. We have to wait for it to break beyond 2036 levels. You can also see there is a pivot level coming in here. That's rather a comfortable entry is about 2038, where you will find 2042 as the first resistance. And as I have shared several times earlier, 2042 is the level it needs to break in order to confirm a rise. And I have very clearly mentioned a sideways zone in gold between 2014 to 2042. This zone is a zone of caution. Now it has to break beyond 2042 in order to confirm further. Now on the early charts, yes, after a big rise, it has shown a pullback. Now it is trying to reverse again. We will wait for it to break beyond 2038 in order to confirm further rise. Moving averages are looking upwards. Stochastic is trying to look downwards, trying to trade slight bearish. If you look at the MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with divergence, and it is showing signs of bullishness. Yes, after a good retracement, it is now looking upwards. It can possibly lift the prices little up, but let's have a further detailed look. RSI is rising, showing signs of bullishness here. Coming to two. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, after the rise retracement, it is coming out of this flag pattern here. It is certainly sign of bullishness here, but we have to wait for it to break beyond 2038 in order to confirm the rise towards 2042-44 as the first resistance, and then 2050 levels will soon be achieved here. Also on the 2-hour charts, notice the movement here. Rise, retracement, and it is again willing to give a breakout. We have to wait for a breakout here. The stochastic rising back to overbought levels. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. The current candle will decide its movement in the further candles. RSI is rising. Coming to 3-hour. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, see after retracing here, it is looking forward to a rise, a possible reshape here, which means 2038 levels are going to play an important role. You can find out also on the downside, it is now getting support at 2030. Now 2030-2028 zone, which was the support earlier, is now again going to play an important role today. And this is going to be the support levels, and we are going to repeat the same levels on the downside, 2024-25 as the first, 2018-2020 as the next, and then 2014-2050 levels. If and only if gold trades below 2014-2015, you can treat this as bearish. Now if you look at the moving averages are looking upwards, are staying bullish as of now. The stochastic is also rising. The MACD is on sell, but it is trying to converge. I will wait for a crossover here, which means couple of bullish candles are required. RSI is rising. Coming to 4-hour. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. Just the prices were divergent from the 20 period. It has taken the support. See, both the candles which had dropped below 20 period failed to close below 20 period and now starting to rise. Thus, it is important sign here. And it suggests that there could be a possibility of further upward move here where higher highs can be achieved, but we have to wait for 2038 levels to be breached. The stochastic is rising here. MACD is in red trying to converge. RSI is rising here. Coming to day. Now before we look into daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch starting on 4th of March. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the tools, strategies, and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, reach out to me or write an email via Telegram or email. You can connect with me for more details or any of your queries. Also, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and do visit my platform forexfunda.com for market related information, and also you can book a call there with me. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts here. You will find right now, see, yesterday's candle was a red candle and a swing candle. Today what it is trying to do, I will wait for it to break the highs from yesterday. Yes, if it breaks beyond 2038, we can look forward to 2042 levels, which is also going to be a double top, and it is already critical resistance. So now today, see, earlier I have mentioned 2040-42. Now I am sharing 2042-44. These two levels you should watch out for. Any breakout beyond this, I will recommend you to wait for 2050 levels as the next target, and beyond this we can look forward to 2060-60. Same levels. Also look at the moving averages crossing over here. Certainly signs of bullishness, which also makes 2024-25 as a very, very good support. Thus, also see one point you should note after series of bullish candles, after series, let me give you a near-term view here. See rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, and now also it is delivering lower highs here. This is something you should watch out for. Now next thing is after a series of green candles, it has delivered a red candle here. Thus a break below 2038 and then 2024 levels can lead to a stronger drop towards 2015-2014 levels. Stochastic looking downwards. Look at MACD, it has crossed over, it is trying to trade with little divergence, but look at the candles, it is flattened here, which suggests that the bullishness has got diminished and RSI is rising. Considering this, a buying entry at 2038 levels can be taken. 2042-44 is the first target, and then 2050-52 levels is the next. If it stays beyond this, certainly we are looking forward to 2060-65, and beyond 2060-65, the sky is the limit for gold. Chances for which appears to be less, and on the downside, you can sell here at 2028-2030 levels. First 2024 it needs to break, then 2018-20, and then 2014-15. If these three levels are taken, consider a crash is ahead for gold, and we can look forward to a sharper drop below 2000 levels very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do watch the next update before the US session. Does like, share, subscribe, and comment, and press the bell icon and join the services. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.